Hi Rick. Here I created a custom field for the divisions and type is select value from existing list, and I created custom fields for all the entities like employees, contracts, divisions, pools. For everything I created, you can see the list. Now I'm using this list in divisions page. So these are the uh, values I already selected for some of the custom fields, and for example now I'm going to select a value for the employee list. So entity is employee. When I type any text, it will give me the suggestions based on the entry that I have made, and now I'm selecting any value. So next time when I select, I'm getting all the list. So let me, if I search and select this contact, the next time when I click here, I'm getting all the list, and these two records are showing as selected. So if I change the value now to Amit Yadav, and if I click here, this record is showing selected and the first record is showing selected. It's happening with uh, all the list, all the entities list. So here if you see, the first record is showing the selected, and one which we have selected is showing selected in the list with the blue background. Yeah, so this is on Firefox browser. Yeah, so that's the issue. Thank you.